Which animal is more venomous, a black widow spider or a box jellyfish?
I mean, I feel like black widows, they're a bit overhyped. I'm gonna say the box jellyfish.
That's right. How about which animal has better night vision, an owl or an eagle?
It's gotta be the owl. I mean, with their 360 turning head.
You're correct. Which animal has the higher lifespan, a tortoise or an elephant?
Gotta be the tortoise.
Tortoise is correct. Which animal can hold its breath longer, a sperm whale or a dolphin?
I'm just gonna guess the sperm whale.
That is correct. Final question for you. Which animal has the more powerful kick, a kangaroo or a horse?
This one's stumping me. I wanna say the horse.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect.